If you're seeing the message that WebGL is not supported by your browser in Chrome, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This issue is actually pretty common, and the good news is that in most cases you can solve it in just a few minutes by updating Chrome, turning on hardware acceleration, and enabling the right WebGL flags. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Before changing any settings, it's always a good idea to make sure you're starting from the latest version, because outdated browser files can cause WebGL problems and other graphics issues. Next, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. This opens the main menu. From here, hover over or click Help, and then choose About Google Chrome. Chrome will now automatically check for updates. If there is an update available, it will download and install it for you. Once the update finishes, you'll usually see a Relaunch button. Click Relaunch so Chrome can restart with the newest version applied. This alone often fixes the issue for many users. If WebGL still isn't working after updating, the next step is to enable hardware acceleration. To do that, click the three dots again, then go to Settings. In the Settings page, scroll down and click System. Here, you'll find an option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Make sure this option is turned on. Hardware acceleration helps Chrome use your computer's graphics hardware instead of relying only on software, and that can make a big difference for WebGL support and browser performance. After enabling that setting, Chrome may ask you to restart. If it does, go ahead and restart the browser. If not, you can manually close and reopen Chrome just to make sure the setting takes effect properly. Once Chrome reopens, test the website again and see whether the WebGL error is gone. If you're still getting the same message, the next thing to try is enabling WebGL flags inside Chrome. This sounds a little advanced, but don't worry, I'll keep it simple. Click into the address bar at the top of Chrome and type chrome://flags, then press Enter. This opens Chrome's experimental features page. In the search box on that page, type WebGL. Now look for the setting called WebGL Draft Extensions. If it's available, change it to Enabled. Depending on your Chrome version, you may see other related WebGL options too, but the main one we want to focus on here is WebGL Draft Extensions. Once you've enabled it, click Relaunch at the bottom so Chrome restarts and applies the changes. After Chrome relaunches, go back to the site or app that was giving you the WebGL error and refresh the page. In many cases, this final step gets WebGL working properly again. If it still doesn't work, you may also want to check whether your graphics drivers are up to date, because outdated drivers can sometimes cause browser rendering issues as well. So to quickly recap, first update Google Chrome, then enable hardware acceleration in Settings under System, and finally go to chrome://flags and enable the WebGL Draft Extensions flag, then relaunch Chrome. That combination fixes the WebGL not supported problem for a lot of users. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.